Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change format of our screenshot to a PNG instead of a JPEG. We need to open our settings, then we are looking for advanced features here, and it's hidden in this menu. So screenshots and screen recorder. And as you can see, we have our option here. Right now, by default, our screenshots are saved in JPEG format. We can change it to PNG. And now it's done. No need to save anything. Back out from the menu to our home screen, and it's done. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.